I'm going to tell you how I increased ticket sales for my theater club, what the secret weapon was, and explain how you already have that weapon too. I'm also going to include a free link to download my ticket sales spreadsheet if you like the vintage feel of using paper tickets and writing things down on paper. Hi, I'm Bethany Baldwin, and I know that ticket sales for your event can be daunting and exhausting, especially if you're new to something like this and don't really like managing things like ticket sales. But people need to know what you're doing, and they need to know about your club, and word of mouth is the way that people are going to know about what's happening and the way you're going to be able to sell tickets. So the secret weapon to ticket sales is free tickets. Let me explain. Free tickets lead to thankful people, which leads to an emotional investment, which translates to the desire to reciprocate, which turns into social media posts and word of mouth promotion. It's not a fast process, but it's a brilliant long game. I'm going to tell you who you should target with your free tickets and what does a free ticket actually mean. Comment below with ways you have successfully increased your ticket sales. In my Music, Art, and Drama Mad Society Club, shameless plug, I take the time to strategically work with my students to divvy out who we give free tickets to. They should all be people you know would not have purchased a ticket anyway. So that would be people who might not be able to afford a ticket, previous members of your drama club and their family, ministry workers or teachers, people who donated towards the show, be it financially, with time, services, advertising, props, costumes, sets, etc., and people who live within walking distance of the show's venue. Again, this is just going to be anyone that you know probably wouldn't have purchased a ticket. You could also have a raffle for free tickets. That way you can have a reason to build interest for the show. There's a link in the description of this video to a free ticket sales organization worksheet. So what are the details of a free ticket? I recommend giving away tickets in pairs so that each person can bring a guest. They're non-transferable. They should be decent seats. They can be to an actual show or they can be to the final dress rehearsal. You shouldn't sell tickets to your dress rehearsal anyway, so that's a perfect opportunity to give someone a free dress rehearsal ticket. It gives you an audience to get the nerves out for the cast, crew, producers and directors and adults. It also gives the actors the opportunity to authentically act through the audience's reaction, which will make for a better show. Give free tickets from a heart of love and the desire to bless people because, after all, everything we do can have a higher purpose if we allow it to. Be sure to give your tickets away about a month before the show so that the people you give them to have plenty of time to save the date. Giving tickets at least a month ahead of time also helps to get something done before kind of the crisis mode, that month leading up to a show. There's just a lot to do. So give away your free tickets a good month before the show. Here is a list of other ideas to help you promote ticket sales. Make posts for social media platforms. Make a countdown. Create event pages. Do cast and crew interviews for posts. Have some kind of giveaway or prize at an event or a show. Make sure you send communication to guardians and cast and crew about ways that they can advertise, and even good old-fashioned posters. Here is a bonus idea. Make a social media post thanking any people who donate an item to your show and tag them. This is an easy opportunity to have a unique reason for you and the other person to spread the word about the play. And it will reach a whole new audience if that person decides to repost your thank you. A play is an event. I have a video on the 5 secrets to a perfect party. A party's an event. So you can pick to follow that video now or check out my Music, Art, and Drama Mad Society curriculum.